What if I told you that just 5 simple exercises could completely transform your body? You don't need fancy equipment, hours in the gym, or complicated routines. Just these 5 movements done consistently. They'll strengthen your muscles, improve your posture, boost your stamina, and even protect you from injuries. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Glute Bridge. Strengthen your core and lower back. We start strong with the Glute Bridge, an underrated but powerful exercise. Most men neglect their glutes and hip flexors, yet these muscles play a huge role in stability, posture, and injury prevention. By strengthening your glutes, you stabilize the pelvis, reduce pressure on the lower back, and move more efficiently in daily life. Walking, climbing stairs, lifting heavy objects, it all feels smoother when your glutes are engaged. This exercise also opens tight hips, improves balance, and helps reduce back discomfort. How to do it. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly lower down. For more intensity, try the single leg variation or add weights on your hips. 2. Jumping jacks, the ultimate cardio booster. Next up, the classic jumping jack. It might look simple, but it's a full body move that strengthens the heart, builds stamina, and improves coordination. This exercise quickly elevates your heart rate, making it perfect for warming up or adding bursts of cardio to your workout. It engages your legs, arms, and core while also improving balance and flexibility. Doing a few sets will leave you more energized, alert, and ready to tackle the day. How to do it. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out wide while raising your arms overhead. Quickly return to the starting position. Land softly to protect your joints. If you want to step it up, increase your speed or try power jacks for added intensity. 3. Bodyweight squat, the king of functional strength. Now let's move to a true powerhouse, the squat. Few exercises can match its ability to build strength, improve mobility, and burn fat. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making them one of the most functional movements you can do. Everyday motions like sitting, standing, or picking something off the floor mimic the squat pattern. By training it, you build strength where it matters most. Squats also support joint health, improve range of motion, and help you maintain an upright posture. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and back straight. Bend your knees, pushing your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then push through your heels to stand. To progress, add weights, increase reps, or try jump squats for explosive power. 4th plank, the ultimate core builder. The 4th move is the plank, one of the best core strengthening exercises out there. While it looks simple, the plank activates your abs, glutes, shoulders, arms, and even your back. A strong core improves posture, balance, and stability in all movements. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or just standing tall, it also helps protect the lower back, making it especially important for anyone who spends long hours sitting. How to do it. Position yourself with elbows directly under shoulders and body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Keep your neck neutral and hold as long as you can. Start with 30 seconds and work up to 60 seconds or longer. For more challenge, try side planks or add leg lifts. 5. Dead hang. Restore shoulder and grip strength. Finally, let's talk about an exercise most people overlook, the dead hang. Hanging from a pull-up bar may seem too simple, but it delivers incredible benefits. It decompresses the spine, improves shoulder mobility, and strengthens your grip. For people who spend much of the day sitting, this move is a game changer. It opens up the shoulders, relieves tension, and helps improve posture. Stronger grip strength also translates to better performance in lifts and daily tasks. How to do it. Find a pull-up bar or solid overhead structure. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Let your body hang freely, keeping shoulders relaxed and core engaged. Start with 20 to 30 seconds, then gradually build to 1 to 2 minutes. Putting it all together, a quick 20-minute workout. Now that you know all 5 exercises, here's how to combine them into a complete workout you can do 3 times a week. Glute Bridge, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Jumping jacks, 3 rounds of 30 to 60 seconds. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Dead hang, 2 to 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds. Rest about 1 minute between sets. The whole routine takes only 20 minutes but covers strength, mobility, flexibility, and endurance. Stick with it consistently and you'll notice improved posture, stronger muscles, and more energy in everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new workout.